Hello friends, today let us check how to draw some 3D graphics, 3D models in AutoCAD 2016. Here, this is AutoCAD 2D drafting and annotation. We have to change this to 3D modeling. For that, you can switch from this option, click here and change this to 3D modeling. Now this ribbon icon will be changed for 3D modeling. And here you can see top right corner, you can change this to 3D views, different type of views, top view, front view and this isometric views like that. First of all, I will create one extra view. This viewport you can choose from here. I will create two vertical viewport, and here you can change this to southwest isometric. Now you can see here X, Y and Z axis is here, and from this view, this is top view, you can see only X and Y axis. There is Z axis but it's not visible here. In the isometric view you can view these three axes. If I want to create a box, I will choose this box option from the modeling. Here I will choose ortho mode on, and now I will start drawing a box. Specify the first corner, and I can choose the second corner or the other corner, or I can choose length of the box 10 unit, enter, and width of the object, and I will choose 5 unit, and now it will ask for the height of the box. This one I will give 3 unit, okay, enter. Now the object is created. In the isometric view you can see it's here. This is the box that we created. Now to view in the gray shades you can use this option. You can choose any of this model. This is more convenient for it's not too heavy, it will not make system too much slow. So I will choose this option, shade of gray, and here you can change the dimensions also by selecting this object. If you want to change this length and width, you can do this. First I will return to this 2D wireframe and choose this one. Suppose I want to change the width from 5 to 10. I have two options. I can click here this grip and I can add 5, just 5, enter. So it will add that 5 unit from the existing 5 unit. And suppose if I want to change the height, the same way I can change the height also. Here you can see if I enter this area, it will add the amount to the 3, or if I press tab, it will switch to the current height and I can change the height as I required. Here I will change this to 5 unit, so the total height will be 5 unit itself. I will zoom out a little bit, and here you can see the height is 5 unit. You can click and drag this height for required size. If you want to rotate this workspace, you can choose this option. You can choose this cube to view in different directions. To draw a cylinder, you can use the same option. From the drop down menu, you can choose the cylinder. You can choose the base point of the cylinder, and you can choose the radius, here 10 unit, enter, and you can choose the height 5 unit. I will choose 5 unit, enter, and you can see here it is. Here this is the cylinder that we created now, 10 unit radius and 5 unit height. And here also you can change the dimensions by clicking and dragging or entering the value. If I want to change this to 10 unit, I can enter 10. So it will add a 10 unit to the 5 unit. Total it will be 15 unit. And if I want to change the direct radius, I can choose this and I can add 5 unit. So it will add 10 plus 5, 15 unit. To view in shade gray view, choose this one. Now you can see when you draw this sphere, the base of this sphere will be always parallel to this XY axis. Now let us check how to draw a cone. Cone is similar to cylinder, but the top radius is 0. Here we have to specify the center point of the base, 10 unit, enter, and we have to specify the height. Height I will choose here same as 5 unit, enter. Now I will zoom out this one. It will be 10 unit base and 0 unit at the top. Here you can see this is the southwest isometric. Here you can see the dimension of 10 unit radius and 5 unit height. In the shaded gray view, it will be like this. If you want to increase the size, increase the height, you can choose this grid and you can add 5 more unit. So it will be 10 unit here. And if you want to change the top radius, now the top radius is 0. If you want to add 3 unit as the top radius, it will be like this. So 10 unit height, 3 unit top radius and 10 unit bottom radius. Now let us check how to create a sphere. Sphere have only one dimension, only the radius, center point and the radius. Here I will choose 5 unit radius and it will be like this. And now let us check how to create a pyramid. To create a pyramid, you have to choose the center point of the base and then you have to choose the inscribed circle radius. So here when I choose 5 unit, the radius of the circle, inscribed circle, so under 5 unit. Now we have to choose the height. Height I will choose 10 unit. Now the pyramid will be like this. If you are using scroll wheel mouse, you can choose the scrolling wheel to zoom in and out, and you can press and hold the scroll button and move your mouse to pan the drawing. If you are not using the scroll button, you can choose this button for panning, and you can choose this option to zoom in and out. Now let us check how to create a wedge. For creating a wedge, you have to specify the first corner of the object and the other corner, and then you have to choose the height of the wedge. Here I will choose 5 unit, and always the slope will be in the x direction. You can see isometric view, all the slope will be in the x direction. Now we will check how to create torus. Torus is actually in the shape of a donut. For creating a torus, we have to specify the center point and the radius of the torus, here 10 unit. Then we have to choose the radius of the outer circle. Here I will choose 0.5 unit. Now the torus will be in this shape. When I zoom in, you can choose the radius. If you want to change the radius, you can change here, add 0.5 or 1 unit extra. It will be 1.5 unit. And if you want to change the radius, you can do it from this view also. You have to choose the middle grip. You can add 5 unit or you can choose tab button to change the actual size. 5 unit, it will be 5 unit in radius. That's all about this modeling sphere, these objects we all created. In next video I will explain how to use the extrude command and how to use this loft, revolve and sweep command in AutoCAD 2016. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.